Hello everyone. Hope you are safe and sound. Let us begin today's session. We'll do question number 3 of exercise 7.4. In figure, angle B is less than angle A. Here, angle B is less than angle A. And angle C is less than angle D. Show that AD, this is a side AB, is less than side BC. So first of all, we'll write what are the things given and then we'll prove. Here it is given that angle B is less than angle A. This is given. If angle B is less than angle A, angle A is greater than angle B. Am I right? So we'll write therefore angle A is greater than angle B. Why? Because B angle is less than angle A. So obviously angle A will be greater than angle B. We know according to theorem 7.7, the side opposite to greater angle is larger. We have angle A as greater angle, which is the side opposite to angle A that will be greater than the side opposite to angle B. Let us see in the figure. Side opposite to angle A is OB. We are referring this triangle OAB. So opposite to angle A we have side OB and opposite to angle B we have side OA. Therefore, we'll write OB is greater than OA and this will refer as equation 1. Angle A is greater than angle B, so side opposite to angle A is OB, that is greater than OA. It is also given that angle C is less than angle D. Therefore, angle D is greater than angle C. We know that according to theorem 7.7, the side opposite to greater angle is larger. Which is side opposite to angle D? For this triangle OCD, opposite to angle D, we have side OC and opposite to angle C, we have side OD. So the side opposite to angle D will write OC is greater than the side opposite to angle C is what? OD. And this will write as equation 2. Now look at equation 1 and equation 2. Here we have OB greater than OA, OC greater than OD. If we add both the equations, what can we write from equations 1 and 2? The left hand side we have greater sides. So we'll add the greater sides OB plus OC. Now you see on the left hand side we have both the greater sides, so we have added that. Now here we don't have equal to sign, we have which sign? Greater sign, so we'll keep greater than sign. On the right hand side we have OA and OD and both are smaller side, so we'll add both OA plus OD. So we got equation OB plus OC greater than OA plus OD. If we add OB plus OC, which side will we get? Look here, OB plus OC. Then we'll get BC side. Same way, if we add OA plus OD, which side will we get? If we add OA plus OD, we will get AD. Let us write. So we'll write by adding OB and OC, we got side BC. In between, we have greater side, and if we add OA plus OD, we will get AD. So we got equation BC greater than AD. This means BC is the greater side than AD. Also, we can say that AD is less than BC, right? And we were asked to prove AD less than BC, which we have proved. Here we completed question number 3.